Could your eyes capture perfect images yet leave your brain completely blind? The optic nerve makes every single sight possible. Light enters your eye, strikes the retina, and begins an incredible journey transforming brightness and color into electrical brain signals. Without this communication pathway, healthy eyes alone cannot create vision because your brain never receives meaningful visual information. Millions of specialized nerve fibers bundle together behind each eye, forming the optic nerve that connects directly toward your brain. Each optic nerve carries information from one eye, but both nerves partially cross to improve coordinated visual processing together. This crossing point, called the optic chiasm, helps your brain combine matching visual information from both eyes with remarkable precision. Catching a flying baseball depends on this rapid pathway delivering visual updates fast enough for precise body movements every moment. Your brain doesn't simply receive pictures, it actively interprets shapes, colors, movement, and depth into meaningful experiences every second. The visual cortex analyzes incoming signals, recognizing faces, reading words, and helping you navigate your environment with remarkable speed. Surprisingly, your brain processes visual information slightly after light arrives, yet you experience vision as completely seamless and immediate. Neuroscientists continue discovering how different brain regions cooperate, revealing vision is far more complex than simple image transmission alone. Protect your vision with regular eye exams because healthy eyes and healthy nerves both support lifelong visual function together. Every beautiful view you enjoy depends on teamwork between your eyes, optic nerves, and incredibly powerful visual brain centers. Understanding this remarkable pathway helps you appreciate that seeing is truly a partnership between biology, electricity, and your extraordinary brain. If you discovered something new today, like, subscribe, comment your favorite brain fact, and share this video with curious friends everywhere.